Yikes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. And you guys already know what we're doing today by the title and the thumbnail of the video. So I already have my steering wheel looking stock. I took the carbon fiber cover off. It's right here. And right now I'm gonna go pick up the steering wheel from the place that it was left at. So it's like a UPS access point. I'm going there right now to pick up my package, and then we're gonna get straight into the install, boys. I can't wait to see it right now. So hopefully I can get it and show you guys right now as well. Actually, for you it's gonna be quick, like a couple of seconds, but for me like another 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll get back to you once I have the package. So here's the package, boys. I haven't looked inside yet, but as you can see right here, TAWCUSTOMS, they hooked me up. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh shit, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. Alright, well, let's open this thing up. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, keychain. Okay, I dig it. This is nice. Nice little carbon fiber type thing. Where's the camera? Goddamn. Here it is. Shit, so dark. You see, boys, it says TAWCUSTOMS. And it's like a little keychain, carbon fiber. Yeah. Tesla Model 3, carbon fiber top bottom, Alcantara sides, stitching and stripe is teal, and carbon fiber bottom button trim. $13.50 plus $75, $14.25, and then $100 discount for Father's Day came out to $13.25. And then once I send them my original wheel, I'm gonna get $300 back. So that means it should be $1,025, I think. Alright, let's put it back over there. TAWCUSTOMS sticker. Let's put it back over there as well. Let's just unpack this thing, boy. This thing is flames. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Boys, this is a beast. What? Look at this. Holy crap. Let me put this away. Holy shit. First of all, it's super heavy. Like insanely heavy. And then it's fatter than the original wheel. Like, holy shit. This is nuts. All of this is carbon fiber. This whole trim. Carbon fiber trim. Carbon fiber bottom and top. This thing is some soft Alcantara. This feels really nice. Like, this is real Alcantara. Super soft. This is softer, but this is, I think this is fake. The headliner that I have over here that I was doing myself, that's fake, I know for sure, because it was super cheap. But it's super soft though. And this material compares to the original, this original Alcantara from Tesla. Yo, but this form though, holy, it's so nice and super comfortable. I think it's gonna be super comfortable to drive with this. Holy, I usually drive with one hand on top like this, and they have like these little bumps for your fingers, so that's even like better grip, and like feels better when you hold it like that. these forms look insane, like absolutely insane. I'm in shock. So let's actually try to install this, but before we do, I forgot my torque wrench at home, so I'm gonna run back to my house and get it real quick and come back here. And before I do that, I actually want to try to take this off before I go, because if I'm not able to take this off, there's no point of going home. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the settings. Wait, put the AC up a little bit because it's super hot. Then we're gonna go to settings. Where is it? Power off. Okay, now. Oh, AC is not gonna work. I'm fucked, honestly. I'm fucked. Okay, where's everything that I got from my house? Okay, so the way to take this off is there are two holes on the sides, and I have to get in there with these screws. Holy, it's hot. I'm gonna put the windows down. I'm gonna try to use these because they're long. I don't know how they're gonna work. So this is the standard steering wheel. Just wanted to show you guys before I change it. That's how it is, just circular. It has a decent shape. I mean, decent thickness, but that one, this one right here, is just super insane and like 2 times bigger, it's fatter than this. So that one is definitely like the race steering wheel, some crazy stuff. But this one's just basic, rounded, you know. So I'm gonna change this one right now. And as you can see, this gap right here, I already managed to pop it out from this hole. So there are these 2 holes on both sides, this right here. And I just put something like this inside, and there's this thingy that should click. Clicked. That's easy. That was easy. All right. Let's see if this comes out. I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit. So the car turned back on for no reason. I'm gonna turn it off again, the 3rd time. Okay, it's off. Now I'm just gonna pull the airbag out somehow. Oh. Yes, I got it out. So you kind of have to use 2 of these to pop this out at the same time because it's not gonna work otherwise. So I took this out. There are 2 clips, I think. I'm gonna take one out. It's pulling the whole thing out for some reason. The whole connection thing. Hopefully this thing fits. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Airbag, boys, airbag. Here is airbag. Let's go back home and get a torch wrench to undo the steering. Alright, I took the bolt out. Now it's time to take the steering wheel off. Okay, pop the new one on. Holy fuck. Alright, let's bolt it back on. steering wheel is on. This shit is fire. Can't fucking push it inside. Alright, I installed it. I haven't pushed it back in yet, but I don't know. I keep using the hunk, so I don't want to make any noise around here. I'm gonna go move back somewhere else and push it inside. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go do an inspection on the car. Yo, the steering wheel is nuts, boys. Look at this. Holy shit. Like the shape is different. If you hold here, this outer line or whatever this is, this different frame just has your thumbs like super comfortable and nice inside. If you hold on top, like I said, those bumps or gaps, hold your fingers nice as well with the carbon fiber. The bottom, I mean, the bottom is okay. This hole right here, if you put it like inside like this, then it'll be nice for like autopilot or some stuff like that. And that's it. If you drive like this, I sometimes do, it's not that comfortable because this like corner over here, but I could still drive like this for like a short period of time. But mostly I'm gonna drive like this or my usual one hand on the top type thing. So this thing is flames. I absolutely love this. The only thing I want to do is like customize my airbag, maybe like wrap it or make it Alcantara and do something with the logos. I'm gonna try to do suede maybe on the airbag, and then the logos make them some other color, maybe teal as well to match. So I got the carbon fiber with Alcantara sides and the carbon fiber trim in the middle. So the whole thing usually comes out to $13.50. Let me check again just to make sure. $13.50 is only the steering wheel plus $75 for the trim. So total is $14.25. But since I got the discount, and then I'm gonna get $300 back when I send the steering wheel, so it's gonna be $1,000 for the steering wheel, which is insane and a really good price in my opinion for what you get. So yeah. Ooh, it's so dark. Let me do this real quick so you guys can see me. Hey, see my nice haircut and all that, looking juicy. But yeah, the only issue is that I can't push the airbag in for some reason. It should just push in and clip on, but I keep pushing and I'm scared to do it because it keeps honking and I don't want it to do that. So I might have to disconnect the battery and push in the airbag. But other than that, I love the steering wheel. It's insane, absolutely gorgeous, and I can't, I have no words for this. So thank you so much for TAWCUSTOMS or TAWCUSTOMS. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is insane. They killed it. It took 3 months, about 3 months to get it, but because of like of all of this going on, so yes, still did a good job. Even if it was 3 months, it was still worth the wait, and they killed it. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Can't do anything about it to make it faster or whatever. Like, we couldn't do much because it was delayed. Like, a lot of people weren't even working yet, so it kind of like just got delayed by like a month or so. But other than that, this is insane. This is awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for TAWCUSTOMS again for this wheel. I love it. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, comment down below what you want to see next or what you think about this wheel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.